What's up, everybody? Jared here from Real Feel Fishing. I'm doing the intro after the day of fishing. What a great day. Short, simple, caught a couple fish. Not going to spoil too much of it for you. But they all came on the chatterbait. Nice little spot. A lot of pressure, though. There was multiple other people there. A couple of my family members were there, too. But other anglers were there. And never really seen anybody else there. But overall, what a great day. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, do what you got to do. Much appreciated. Thanks, guys.
Alright, give this chatterbait a try. See if we can catch some in the wind-blown corner. It's pretty windy, but let's see if I can catch something. I feel like I should have brought some spinner baits with me, but I did not. Alright, gonna give this PIKE paddle tail a go. Put it on a 1/8 ounce 4/0 hook, swing bait hook. Wind blown corner. Let's try it out. There we go. All right. Sweet. Nice little chunk. Annihilated it. Cool fish, 14 incher. And the release. Alright, so first one on the day, and it came on a chatterbait. Good old Jackhammer. There we go. Oh.
Lost it?
Yeah. I think it was a pike.
Chatterbait?
Yeah. Oh gosh. Giant pike. Giant. Okay. Yeah.
Beast, bro.
Gonna get the release on this bad boy.
Another chunky pike.
Let's do it.
Keep it on.
There she goes. Sweet deal. Alright, so using a different jackhammer now. Little Bass Pro Speed Shad paddle tail. I don't know what jackhammer this is. Green pumpkin and white. I don't know, some type of shad probably. But it's doing the trick. A little bit slower of a day today. Caught one bass, one pike. Lost probably another pike and another bass. So, but pretty good day so far.